Hello everybody, it's Drew from Langlois Vital Nutrition Center here with you. I hope you're doing really well. Thank you for watching this video. After the last couple of videos we released where I was talking about the heart sound recorder, a number of the clients we've had here for years and years said, "Why are you telling me about the heart sound recorder again? I thought you stopped doing that." I said, "Stop doing that? What are you talking about?" And I realized they were talking about the heart rate variability. It's easy to see how it would be confusing. We used to call it the HRV. The new thing we have is called the HSR. We're talking alphabet soup. It gets a little bit confusing. So I wanted to clear this up for everybody. What we used to use was the heart rate variability. If you've been a client of Langlois for 5 or 6 years or more, you remember there was this thing, you put a heart rate monitor on, you had to lay down, you had to stand up, and then you got a graph printed out. And we used to use that. Honestly, it was pretty frustrating for us as clinicians because often what would come up on the analysis from the HRV, the heart rate variability, would be different from how the client was feeling. And often we felt like pursuing what the HRV found was not the right thing to do, based on how the client was reporting how they were feeling and how other forms of analysis were reporting to us. So now we have the HSR, the heart sound recorder. It's what we currently use. And this is totally different, even though they both involve your heart. The heart sound recorder is listening to your heart and giving us an idea about what nutrients the valves in your heart could potentially benefit from. The HRV does nothing like that. It never gave us that information. So, when you hear us saying HSR, heart sound recorder, please understand that it is very different from an HRV. I'm going to do my best in the future, if we get new technology in here like we do regularly, to come up with some different letters for it, or maybe not use letters at all so we can get away from this alphabet soup kind of thing. Thank you for watching this video. Please let us know if you have questions about the HRV or about the HSR. Thanks for watching the video. Please click like, subscribe. Let us know what you're thinking in the comments below. Have a great day.